So you probably found this video because you know that Google and Disney couldn't get along, and that led to lost channels for a couple of days. And then we found out that they did come to an agreement and figured it out. But for whatever reason, the channels didn't automatically come back to YouTube TV. You actually have to manually add them back to YouTube TV yourself, which is sort of silly, but I guess it is what it is. So this video, I'm going to show you how to add them back to YouTube TV through the web browser first. And then if you have a mobile phone, I can show you that way as well. Also note that you cannot do this through the TV, through like your Fire Stick or Roku or something like that. You have to do it through a web browser or your mobile app. With that said, let's go. So first is going to be the mobile app. So first is going to be the web browser. So let's go to tv.youtube.com. Go into your account here, and so log into your account. So up here in the upper right, you want to click your account. Go to settings. And then over here on the left, you want to go to live guide. Once you do that, this is all your channels that are live and basically you can see on the TV. So basically what happened is they added them all back, but they're all here at the bottom. And so I've already added them back, but when you go into yours, if you can't see them, they're gonna look like this. All the channels are going to be like unclicked like this. So all you need to do to add them back is to click each one. Once you do that, then the channels will be added back. I do believe you have to restart your Roku or your Fire Stick or whatever to get them to show up, but that's what you need to do. And then to move them however you want, you can do that in a couple of ways. You can either hit the dots here, and you can do it quickly. Move move each one individually to the top. You can't do them all at once. At least I couldn't find a way. Or you can move them up one by one. Or if you want to do that manually, you can just grab this over here, this side, and you can move them wherever you want. So that's how you do it on the web browser. So let's go over to the mobile app, and I can show you how to do it on the mobile app as well. So if we get into the mobile app here, go ahead and go up to the top right where your account is. It's pretty similar. Then you want to go to settings, and then over here, go to live guide in the middle. And so the same thing, if you scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see that all the Disney owned channels are at the bottom. And same thing, you can just add and subtract. Well, you'd want to add them, back to your guide. And with the mobile app, there's not as much flexibility. So if you hit the whatever these things are on the right, these lines, push and hold, then you can move them wherever you want, but you have to do them each one manually, and you can't like quick click it all the way to the top or all the way to the bottom. So that's how you change it on both the web browser and the mobile app. Hope the video was helpful. And if you thought it was, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.